Are you a little bit tired of Zoom opening up every single time you turn on your Windows 10 computer? Well, today we're going to show you how to stop Zoom from opening on startup on Windows 10. It's really easy to do. But hey, if you're new here, my name is Ken and this is Northern Viking Everyday. And we bring you videos on reviews and how-tos. So please consider subscribing so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. But let's go ahead and dive right over to my computer and show you how to change this in the Zoom settings. All right, so here we are on my Windows 10 computer. If you have Zoom loaded up, it should look something like this. And the first thing we need to do is go ahead and open up the settings in Zoom. So in order to do that, in the top right-hand corner, right under your face or your logo, if you've uploaded one, you'll see a little gear or sprocket. And when you hover over it, it says settings. You want to go ahead and left click on that. That's going to bring up all the settings here in Zoom. And there's a whole bunch of different options: video, audio, screen share, everything like that. We want to actually pick the first one, and that's the one that actually popped up right away for me. And at the top here, you're going to see a couple different options. One says silently start Zoom when I start Windows. That's selected right here. And the second one says start Zoom when I start Windows. I'm going to go ahead and turn both of these off just like that. And it's really that simple. Now when I start up Windows, Zoom won't start up automatically. I'll have to actually go click on the icon on my desktop or in my start menu to load up Zoom. So I hope this quick tutorial did help you in stopping or disabling Zoom from auto starting in Windows 10. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you're interested, I have created a video on how to add virtual backgrounds to your video feed in Zoom. You can check that out in the description below. Thank you so much for watching today. Remember to subscribe here on YouTube. And until next time, take care.